Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn about sensing colors. So in the previous class we have learned about how to sense something. We saw how cat was trying to touch orange, apple, and it was able to sense and make something happen when the touch was happening. Now, how the sense of color works. So imagine you have a colorful box of crayons. Each crayon is a different color like red, blue, green and yellow. You also have a special friend who can see this and do fun things when they see them. So in Scratch, your characters can also be like your special friends with colorful eyes. So let's say it will say, if you see a red crayon, do a dance. When you notice a blue crayon, jump up. So you're saying that your sprite is touching a specific color, then what should happen? You make your sprite happen something. So just like how you can pick a crayon from the box based on its color and draw with it, your Scratch character can see colors and do special actions when it says see that color, make do this, make particular thing happen. Let's try this on Scratch and have fun experimenting with different colors. I'll take a new sprite actually now. We are so bored of cat all the time. I'll go bow. And I think I'll take this. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is, let me paint a backdrop. Okay, so now here I'm going to paint a different color squares. Okay, I'm creating different colors because we are creating sensing colors. I'll change the color to blue maybe. Let me change it to black. And I can change this to purple. Okay, pink is also good. And in between, I'll create a white circle. I'm creating it according to Gobo's size. I'll change the Gobo size 70. Let's fix this according to 70. The Gobo should be covered in this basically. Okay. Yeah, now Gobo is covered in this. I want to do what? I'm going to control my Gobo sprite with arrow keys, and whenever it is on any color, it should say that color and it should change to that particular color. So I'll delete this B and C costumes and I'm going to duplicate for 4 times. From here you can change the name. So consider I make it red. Red color. All the parts will make it to red because when it's touching red color, it should change to red. Okay, now we will make it black. Black Gobo looks really weird. Outline will be considered white. It is going to be here. I'm going to change outline for all of them to white. Let's change it to white. Okay, and change this to black. This one will be on the top. Red is done, black is done. We have blue and pink. Blue. I'm changing all of them to blue. Let me change outline to white for blue. It will look really nice. Outline to white. On this page you won't be able to see blue outline because the screen is also white. Let's change this to white. Oh sorry, I changed by mistakenly this one. Let me change the color to white. Outline, fill. Perfect. This looks really nice. Now let me just do the pink one. For this pink also, white outline looks really nice because we have taken vibrant colors. One we will keep simple gobo because that will be there when it's white circle. In the white circle it is going to be a simple color only. I'll take this to pink and then outline to white. Perfect. This looks really beautiful. I'll change this to pink. Now what I'm going to do, I'll keep this sprite in this white circle, and when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to set the costume to simple gobo and the center position, the position where it is now. So this much we have done. It's simple gobo now. Now you have to control it with arrow keys. So we take forever, if, key space pressed. We are going to use sensing to revise. Now when you have to go up, it means you are changing the vertical direction, and for going up it's positive. Change y by 10. Now you make it down arrow and it's opposite, so minus 10. Now let's do for right arrow. I'll take if condition. We take right arrow. From motion we take change x by, let's say, 10. Horizontally opposite direction, left, that is minus 10. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's working. Now we have to make it sense the colors. I'll keep this aside here. I'm going to start a new green flag clicked and forever. Now again we have to use if condition, and you can use this touching color. So if your gobo is touching the red color, it has to say this is red and the costume changes to red. Let's see. See, same way I'll duplicate this for 4 times. You have to do for all the 4 colors, right? Now first I'll check pink, switch costume to pink, pink, black. Switch costume to black. Switch costume to blue. So whatever color it is going to touch, it is going to change costume to that color. This is pink. This is blue. This is black. This is red. I think we should increase the size of circle, and we can do one thing, we can add one more here, that when it is touching the white color, we change the costume to gobo only, the original gobo, because it's not going back to original. We have not said, see, this is blue, this is pink, this is red. It's going back to the original one. You can change the number here to get the exact thing. You can make it move slow so it's coming in the proper circle, or you can increase the size of circle. That is also the option. So I hope you have enjoyed sensing colors, how you can make your sprites sense different colors and do fun things. I'll save this now. Thank you so much. Bye.